Welcome to Quarantine Cooking with me, Millie. Today we're making porcini mashed potatoes. I'm excited. First we'll take 3 yellow potatoes and we will dice those bad boys up. Then we'll take our dried porcini mushrooms and chop those up too. And let's put those potatoes into a pot. And let's add in our porcini mushrooms. Let's put a little salt in there. And finally, let's add some water. And we'll just let this boil till those potatoes get soft. So while that's boiling, I'm going to take 3 carrots. First we'll peel them and then we'll cut them up. Then we'll chop up some walnuts. We're gonna slice up this scallion. Mince up some chives. We're gonna chop up some cremini mushrooms. We're gonna cut up this shallot. Make sure you cry really good when you do it too. So by now your potatoes should be done, so we'll strain those out. And we'll go ahead and just blend this up. And we'll add a little olive oil in here. And a little salt and pepper. We're gonna heat up some olive oil in a pan. And we're gonna cook up our carrots. We're gonna cook them probably about 6 to 8 minutes. And once they're looking pretty brown, we'll add in our walnuts. After those are cooked up, we're gonna reheat our pan. Some new olive oil. And we're gonna add in our mushrooms. And we will also add in the shallot that we cut up earlier. Again, we're gonna cook those till they get soft, probably about 5 minutes. So then we'll add in some water and a little vegetable bouillon. And once that's nice and mixed, we're gonna add in our cashew crema. Now we're gonna take a little bit of coleslaw and add in our scallion and a little salt and pepper. We'll put some red wine vinaigrette in there and mix that up. That's our coleslaw. Alright, we're done cooking and let's go ahead and see the final reveal. left is build a blanket fort and eat it inside.